Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I want to introduce you to my latest project, but not so much my latest, but another project I have going on is this old walking floor trailer that I picked up from a buddy of mine. Now I've had it a while, but I haven't had a chance to really get on it and get it up to speed where I can put it to work. It needs a little TLC before I can get it out there, but hopefully within the next couple of weeks or so we can get it on the road and get a load in it and see how it does. It's got quite a bit of rust on it, but that can all be patched up. And for the little bit of work that I'll be doing, I won't be in and out of the landfill or the incinerator, so I don't suspect I'll be beating it up with a whole bunch of trash. Mainly it'll be stuff off the farm, wood chips, feed, litter, and the occasional demo job. As I said earlier, I've had it sitting here in the yard for a while, because first I was just holding it for my buddy. He needed a place to store it, but then he went on and sold it to me. It's got decent tires and all the lights are working. I do believe I need to put some brakes on it though. But first thing, I had to change this cylinder out. It wasn't working. And then as soon as I got the cylinder fixed, my control lever didn't want to act right. It opened up when I first tried it. It opened up, but it hadn't worked since. So I've ordered a new one. I'm gonna swap this one out, put the new one on, see if that fixes the problem, and then see if I can get this one refurbished and put it back on here. And if that doesn't work, then I'll just put a manual lever on here and open it up by hand, as opposed to the air actuated. First thing, get these air lines disconnected. Hopefully I can access that little bitty screw right there. Here's a new control lever. Got it off of eBay. This one is a Versa VBT 3503 pneumatic hand lever. I think it's a little different though than what's on there, because it doesn't have the relief valves on it. Wrapped up darn good. So this is the replacement valve that I'm gonna stick on there. See if we can get it to work. And of course, some assembly required. Hey folks, back out at the trailer. So I stopped yesterday because one, I couldn't get that little screw out right there. I couldn't get a socket on it or a wrench to get it out, so I'm gonna just cut it off today. And two, the ports on this control valve is a different size than the ports on that control valve. These are 1/2 inch NTP, where those were 3/8 NTP. So I had to go to Cauliflower and get some adapters to go from 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch. So now let me cut that old one out of there. All right, got my 3 fittings in there. Now hook the hoses up. Let's see. Get in there. Now we'll have to figure out some way to secure that on there, because it is not going to fit the same way as the other one. One, it's got bigger holes for the screw, but I'll figure something out. Well, while the truck builds up its air, go ahead and put the lever in. Yeah, got that all set. Now let's see if she works. I declare I had air going to that valve yesterday, or the day before yesterday, when I checked this trailer out, because the cylinder did actuate once. So I don't know where that air came from. Now it's not getting any air, so when the weather gets a little better, I'm gonna climb underneath the trailer and see if the valve body is good. But I'm getting air to the brakes, so I know my air is flowing, but it may be just that one line is blocked up. I'll take it apart and check it out and just keep troubleshooting till I find what the problem is. But in the meantime, we'll get on and fire up the walking floor, because I know my hydraulics are working. First thing we do is engage the PTO. Bump up the RPMs using the cruise control. Now the lever is currently in the off position. Now I want to engage the floor. All I gotta do is push it in. Now it's currently in the load position, meaning I can step on the back and pull it toward the front of the trailer, but that's not operational. The trailer's been sitting so long before I bought it from my buddy that not everything's fully functional. Now I'm gonna go switch it to the unload, and you'll be able to see how the pattern works to get material off the trailer. Unload. But as you can see, this trailer has had better days. It can use some TLC. But eventually I get around to getting all that repaired. And I'll use this trailer until the wheels fall off or the walls bust. Well, sun's going down, and I've done about all I can do to the trailer today. As you can see, you got plenty of TLC. Got to replace all of those floor slats, and figure out why air is not getting to the lock for the door. Well, I said, it's a new cylinder. That's a new control lever. So I'll keep on going down the line troubleshooting. But hopefully the line is just blocked. Like I said, I don't know how long this trailer sat before I got it from my buddy. And then, oh, it's been at least a year since it's been sitting here on the lot since I started working on it. So we'll see. That's an overview of my latest project. It's an old walking floor, steel body walking floor trailer. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, tell your friends, and come on back. We'll catch you on the next one.